one of my favorites, guys. Fried fish. Ayan, luto na siya. Tuna. It's time to off the gas. Ayan, luto na. Luto na. Ready na ang aking breakfast and lunch together. And this is my sauce. Ayan. Garlic, onion, and chili. This is one of my favorite simple sauce, but it's appetizer. I like it. I love it. And rice, of course. Rice is life. Always one of our strengths is rice. And this one, guys, mango. So fully satisfied breakfast and lunch together with this mango, and this one, and this one, and of course this one. Okay, have a nice day, everyone. I hope you have a good meal too to satisfy your tummy. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Bye.